Hello and welcome to a lesson where we'll be starting from the very beginning and creating a new Java file for our simple Java program. First, you'll need to open the text editor. In order to do that, you can search for the Notepad in the search menu. And here, as you can see, the Notepad is opened. First, let's start by creating a new Java file. In this example, we'll be creating a file called helloworld.java. And inside this file, we will write the code for our program. So let's first save the file using the save as command. Here, let's select the destination for our file. In my case, it will be the documents folder. Let's select the type as all files, and here let's write hello world.java. Please note that the case is important. And let's click Save. Now let's write the code for our first program. The first line of code we will write is the class declaration. In Java, all code must be written inside a class. The class name should always match the file name. So in our case, the class name is Hello World. The class declaration starts with the keyword class. So let's write class. And after that, let's write the file name Hello World. And now let's use the following brackets. Now we will add the main method. The main method is the entry point of the program, and the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, runs the code inside this method. The main method always has the same signature, which is public, static, void, main. After that, in parentheses, we write string, brackets, arguments. And now let's use one more pair of brackets again. Inside the main method, we will write the code for our program. In this example, we will be printing a simple message, hello world, to the console. We will use the system.out.println method to print the message. So let's write system.out.println. And in parentheses, let's use double quotes, hello world. This is what we are going to print to the console. Let's close the parentheses and let's use semicolon. In Java, every statement should end with the semicolon. So that's it. We have written a simple Java program that prints hello world to the console. Let's save the file using File, Save, and in the next part of this lesson, we will learn how to compile the Java file to bytecode and how to run the program from the command line. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any programming languages, so it's important to take the time to play around with the code and make adjustments to see how it affects the output. So first, let's talk about what bytecode is. Bytecode is a compiled version of your Java code that is executed by the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. This allows your code to be platform independent, as the JVM is available on multiple operating systems. To compile your Java code, we'll be using the Java compiler, also known as javac command. This command is included to the Java Development Kit, or JDK, that we installed in the previous lesson. To compile a Java file, you'll need to open the command prompt or terminal and navigate to the directory where your Java file is located. So let's type command prompt and let's open it. And here we need to navigate to the directory where our Java file is located. If you remember, we saved our Hello World file to the Documents directory. So we can navigate here, click here and copy the whole path. And now let's use the cd command and let's paste the path we want to go to. Let's hit enter. So now we have navigated to the Documents directory where our Hello World file is located. Now let's compile the file. In order to do that, we need to enter the command called javac, and after the space, we need to specify the file name we want to compile. In our case, it's hello world.java. Please note that currently my Documents directory contains only hello world.java file. And now, after I hit enter, we can see that we have two files. The first one is hello world.java and the second one is hello world.class. It's important to note that the class file is the bytecode version of your Java program and can be executed by the JVM. If you have any errors in your code, the compiler will display them and you'll need to fix them before trying to compile again. In order to run the program, we need to use the following command: java, and here we need to specify the class name without the extension. So we'll write just hello world. And let's hit enter. As you can see, the output is hello world. So that's it for writing your first Java program. For sure, in future, we will not use the Notepad to create and compile Java programs. We will use integrated development environments that allow us to do it in a more convenient way. But we need to know how exactly it works, how exactly we write, compile, and run Java programs, and doing it in the following way, as we just did, is the best approach to understand the whole flow. So, thank you for your attention and see you on the next lesson. Bye.